Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to talk this morning about our Letterland characters. We're going to go through and say the character name with the sound that they make. So here we go. Annie Apple, A. Bouncy Ben, B. Clever Cat, C. DP Duck, D. Eddie Elephant, E. Firefighter Fred, F. Golden Girl, G. Harry Hatman, H. Impy Ink, I. Jumping Jim, J. Kicking King, K. Lucy Lamplight, L. Munching Mike, M. Noisy Nick, N. Oscar Orange, O. Peter Puppy, P. Quarrelsome Queen, Q. Red Robot, R. Sammy Snake, S. Talking Tess, T. Uppy Umbrella, U. Vicky Violet, V. Walter Walrus, W. Fix It Max, X. Yellow Yo-Yo Man, Y. Zigzag Zebra, Z. The bottom here are our vowel men. Our vowel men are A, E, I, O, and U. And they say their name. So if I see the A, it says its name, which is A. Mr. E, if I see that letter, it's E. I is I. Mr. O is O. And Mr. U would be U. Now, a fun little activity with this Quick Dash Letterland is that you can make you some little flashcards with the characters and the name on it, and go through and try to say the sounds as fast as you can. Like this. A. Z. Y. D. K. D. X. W. V. E. G. Qu. P. A. J. E. K. Just like that. Just like we did in class. You can go through your Letterland characters and say their sound as fast as you can, okay? So you can make you some flashcards, and that will help you with your Letterland phonics fluency. All right, y'all have a great day. Miss Keisha misses you so much.